In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 not launching on PC. So first thing you want to check is your graphics card. So if you go to Device Manager, you'll see your graphics card type here, and you want to make sure it's all updated to the latest version. So you can either go and browse it manually or just click the automatic button to update. So clicking next will update. So you can also update your graphics card by going to here, NVIDIA. So you will have something like an NVIDIA software, and inside drivers you'll be able to update it. If you don't have NVIDIA, you might have like AMD, and you'll have to like search AMD and download AMD. So whichever like graphics card you have, just make sure it's up to date. Now next thing you want to check is if the Windows security is blocking it. So if you go to Windows security, to check if Windows security is blocking the game from launching, you can go to manage settings and then turn off real-time protection. Try launching the game, and if it launches, that means it's actually blocking it. And what you will have to do is simply go down here where it says add or remove exclusions. So what you're gonna do here is add the game. So you will click add an exclusion and then folder, and then you're gonna select the folder path for the game for Forza Horizon. Find the folder path and then select it here, then click select folder. Once you add it, the Windows security will no longer block the game from launching. And after you add it, you obviously can just turn this back on to protect your computer. And once done, you can just check if this fixes the error. Now if it doesn't, check if this is a server error. So you can check this by just going here and typing is Forza Horizon down. So you'll get a website like this one, for example. And if it's down, it will say something like users experienced an error. You'll see some spikes here. So all you have to do is just wait for them to fix it. And once they fix the server errors, it will basically be back online.